Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix payment gateway disappeared from Shopify checkout message, "This store can't accept payments right now." This message can prevent customers from completing their purchases, which means lost sales if it isn't resolved quickly. The good news is that in many cases, the issue is caused by your payment settings, your payment provider configuration, or your store's account status. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your checkout working again. Let's get started by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where Shopify stores all of your store configuration options, including checkout, payments, shipping, taxes, and billing. Since this error is directly related to payment processing, this is the first place you should check. Inside Settings, click Payments. Here, you'll see every payment provider currently connected to your store. If you're using Shopify Payments, check whether it shows as active. If there's a message asking you to complete verification, submit additional business information, or update your banking details, you'll need to finish those requirements before your store can process payments normally. If you're using a third-party payment provider, such as PayPal, Stripe through another gateway, or another supported processor, make sure the account is still active and connected correctly. Sometimes the connection expires or requires you to log in again. If everything appears connected, but the error still occurs, try disconnecting the payment provider and then reconnecting it by following the on-screen prompts. Refreshing the connection often resolves configuration issues. While you're still on the payments page, it's also worth adding another payment method if possible. Offering multiple payment options gives customers alternative ways to complete their purchases if one gateway experiences temporary issues. Popular options include PayPal, ShopPay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other providers available in your region. Next, click Settings again and open Checkout. Review your checkout configuration to ensure there aren't any restrictions preventing customers from placing orders. If you've recently installed checkout apps or made customizations, consider temporarily disabling those changes to see whether they're causing the issue. Another important step is checking your Shopify subscription. Return to Settings and select Billing. If your Shopify subscription payment has failed or your account is overdue, Shopify may temporarily disable checkout until the outstanding balance is paid. Resolve any billing notifications before testing your store again. You should also verify that your store isn't still protected by a storefront password if you're expecting public customers to place orders. Go to Online Store, then Preferences, and confirm your storefront settings are configured the way you intend. Now open your storefront in an incognito or private browser window and try completing a test purchase. This helps determine whether the issue affects all visitors or was caused by a browser cache or an admin session. If you're using Shopify Payments, you can also enable test mode temporarily to verify that checkout works correctly without processing a real payment. Remember to turn test mode off once you've finished testing. If the error continues after checking your payment providers, billing status, checkout settings, and running a test order, the next step is to contact Shopify support. They can review your account for payment holds, verification requirements, or account-specific issues that aren't visible from the admin dashboard. And that's it. By reviewing your payment settings, reconnecting your payment provider, checking your billing status, verifying your checkout configuration, and testing the checkout process, you can resolve the "This store can't accept payments right now" error in most situations. I hope this guide helped you get your Shopify store accepting payments again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.